second part of the 1.95 video, so you should be watching this part if you need a refresher, or if you missed class, or if you have to remediate, but make sure you watch the first part also. We're going to do some examples that are actually simplifying expressions. So simplify the expression, and it's going to be underneath the radical, so it's going to be like the square root of, let's do 70 x to the 5th, y to the 4th. So the first thing I'm going to do is like what I did in the previous video, is I'm going to find the prime factors of 70x to the 5th, y to the 4th. 70 is 7 times 10. 10 is 2 times 5. So I can stop there. And then I have to rewrite this whole thing. I'm going to erase that. Rewrite this underneath the radical. This is the same thing as 2 times 5 times 7 times 5x's and 4y's. Now just like we did it with the popcorn game, we're looking for the square root. So it can only come out if it has an equal factor or a perfect match. Here's a match of, it has to be groups of 2. Here's a match, here's a match, here's a match. Anything I circled that has a match, one of those can come to the outside, just like we did with the popcorn. So this 1x from here will come to the outside. 1x from here will come to the outside. 1y from here. 1y from here. And then everything else stays underneath. So they didn't get to go outside the square. The 2 times 5 times 7 times 1x. Then I simplify everything I have left over. 2x is x squared. 2y's is y squared. Underneath the radical I have 2 times 5 is 10 times 7 is 70 x. This is as simplified as I can get underneath the radical sign. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say simplify. Let's do that's too big, so let's do 400 a to the 4th, b to the 3rd. So first I'm going to find the prime factors. I know it's 20 times 20. 20 is 5 times 4. 5 times 4. 4 is 2 times 2. 4 is 2 times 2. I'm going to rewrite this whole thing. And I go smallest to biggest. So 1, 2, 3, 4 factors of 2. 2 factors of 5. 4 a's. 3 b's. Looking for groups of 2, just like we had in our game, and they have to be a perfect match. We need factors, or 2 equal factors to come outside of the radical. There's 2 equal factors, there's 2 equal factors, these are a match. These are a match, these are a match, these are a match. Anything with a perfect match can come outside of the radical, anything else is stuck inside. This means we pull out 1, 2. This means I pull out another 2. This means I pull out 1, 5. This means I pull out 1a. This means I pull out 1a. This means I pull out 1b. Anything not circled stays inside, so there is still a b left under the radical. Now I need to simplify. 2 times 2 is 4 times 5 is 20. I have 2 factors of a, so a squared times b times the square root of b. That is my final answer. That's as simplified as I can get.